Good morning everyone. Today I would like to present my article review assignment about student attitudes toward learning English as a foreign language. So for this assignment, I analyze several journal articles related to students' motivation, enjoyment, attitudes, and experience in learning English as a foreign language or EFL.
Well, Indomaret lah.
First, I want to explain why I choose this topic. I chose this topic because attitudes and emotion are important factors in English learning students. Students who have positive feelings, motivation, and enjoyment usually learn English more successfully. On the other hand, negative feelings such as anxiety can make learning more difficult. The first article is a comparative study of attitudes toward English as a foreign language learning between upper secondary students in a science, mathematics, and art language program by Nata Permanekman and Swatana Emurapat. This study examined student attitudes toward learning English. The research found that students from both programs had a positive attitudes toward English learning. They also found significant difference between the two groups. Students generally enjoy classroom activities and were satisfied with their English teacher. The second article is the effect of bilingualism on foreign language learning, a longitudinal study from kindergarten to the end of primary school. This study focused on a bilingual and students. The findings show that bilingual students perform better in English during the early years of learning. Positive attitudes and English exposure also influence student English achievement. The third article is Foreign Language Academy, Buoyancy, Enjoyment, and Academic Achievement. Among China's senior high school students. So, this research discussed enjoyment and academic achievement in EFL learning. The study found that students with higher enjoyment tend to achieve better academic performance in English. Positive emotion also increase student confidence and motivation. The fourth article is Language Attitude of Bangladesh Portuguese as students toward learning Chinese and French. This study explores student attitudes and motivation toward foreign language learning. The findings show that students had a positive attitude because foreign language could support academic, cultural, and career opportunities. And however, students also experience some challenges such as limited learning and research. The fifth article is Portraying Higher Education Students, Accounts of Foreign Language Classroom Enjoyment and its Effect. This article focused on the foreign language enjoyment in EFL classroom. The research found that enjoyable classroom improves student confidence, motivation, participation, and learning achievement. Teacher behavior and classroom atmosphere were also important factors. The last article says how motivation and enjoyment spread their wings during English foreign language learning. A pseudo longitudinal investigation into Moroccan learners. So, this study found that motivation and enjoyment increase as learners become more advanced in English. At the same time, anxiety decreased. The research could conclude that positive emotion and motivation are very important in successful English learning. From all this article, I found several similarities. Most studies show that positive attitudes, enjoyment, and motivation have strong effect on English learning success. So students who feel happy, confident, and motivated usually perform better in English classes. Teacher and classroom environments also play important roles in creating positive learning. So, in conclusion, attitudes towards learning English as a foreign language are very important because they influence motivation, participation, and confidence, and also academic achievement. Positive emotion can help students enjoy the learning process and improve their English skill more effectively. So, thank you for your attention. Bye bye.